Hi guys, so for my people, I wanted to share with you what I found through social media. I wanted to do the piano guys. They were definitely some of the people I felt were the most successful out of the ones that I watched, and they're definitely, to me, the most fun to watch. um, so first of all, I wanted to kind of explore where they came from. That actually gave me an appreciation of their success, and it says quite a bit. So they actually, the reason why they're called the Piano Guys is because they were a little store in St. George, Utah, of all places, and the guy in charge there decided, hey, I'm going to sell more pianos by making these really cool videos. And little did they know that they would be super duper viral. And they've kind of become a very well-established and popular music group. I mean, that's what I'm listening to on Pandora when I study is Piano Guys, so I think that's kind of cool. So clearly they're doing something right here. So these are some things that I personally thought set them apart through social media, and kind of made them individuals and what made them so successful. I thought, for one thing, they had an original idea of combining two different genres that usually don't interact, and somehow they managed to put them together. They combined pop and classical music, and I thought that was cool. It bridged two very different audiences together, so that definitely increased their pool. They catered to different people, which I think is hard for a lot of musicians sometimes, so another thing that they did is, obviously, they really did some crazy videos that they really love to do. Whether it was creating, right here, there's two little Lego guys. They they would, float down the Amazon River or go in the Grand Canyon or create Christmas lights and sync with their piano playing, whatever it is. It's always a lot of fun to watch them, and I think a lot of that is because they really do. That article that we read before mentioned how you have to have that enthusiasm and really love what they're doing, and they both just have these cheesy smiles and this energy that just makes you smile. Like they are having a good time, and it just makes you laugh, and I think that's a huge part of it. I think another thing to boost their other side, when I was checking out their Instagram and Twitter and things like that, they do have a more personal side as well. I wanted to show you just their Instagram here for a second. Like here, they just have them playing with their family members, so they seem like real people, which is kind of cool. That's them playing for the Worldwide Fast. That's him deciding to play in the shower. Most people sing in the shower, but that's fine. But yeah, they really do interact with people a lot more. For example, here they're texting people and saying, hey, we're giving away free pianos until the pandemic calms down. So I think that's really, they are shining examples of what social media can do to get you connections and followers and help you be a successful musician. They've definitely gotten quite a few views on all of their stuff. So I think that's part of what made them successful. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If I could, I kind of wanted to share part of what I was talking about with the crazy videos in case you haven't heard them before. They do some pretty crazy stuff. So if Screencast will let me, I was wanting to show you just a couple seconds of this video. One of my favorites that they have done, which has some of the most views too. Let's see if I can grab it. Yeah, right here. Sorry, it's loud. You see them grinning, and they're just so happy about it. And they always go to the craziest places, but well, that's all I've got for you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later in class.